Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites and taking the very first actionable steps. First, make and activate a virtual environment so dependencies stay isolated. Once done, pip install the appropriate driver, scicop2 for Postgres, MySQL connector Python for MySQL, or use SQLite3 for local files. Next, set your DB host, user, password, and database and environment variables. This keeps secrets out of source control. Finally, open your project and create a small config module to read those environment values so code can use them securely. You now write the code that actually connects and runs queries. Use a context manager or connection pool so connections are closed automatically. This prevents resource leaks under load. Make a function that reads envars, constructs the DSN, and returns a live connection object. Once you have that, parameterize every query with placeholders. Never concatenate user input because safety matters. Then, run a lightweight test, such as select one or Pragma user version, to validate connectivity and credentials before building more logic. You finish by integrating connection management into your app and adding resilience. Wrap connections with retry logic and exponential backoff for transient errors, and centralize error handling so you can log and monitor failures. Make sure to close or return connections to the pool in finally blocks and expose a health check endpoint that runs a light query. If something goes wrong, first verify credentials, DSN format, and driver version. Next, check network rules or firewalls. A common fix is correcting an environment variable or upgrading the DB driver.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.